Hey YouTube, just a quick update on the forklift. The bleeder screws on this, there's one right there, and there's also one right under here on the other side. And they're 3/8, and I just pumped up and held it with my hand here, and got the air out. Seems to work fine. Then put that thing on, put the drum on, and I adjusted the brakes so that, it's a little tight, but I'll adjust them a little further here in a minute. The lug nuts, they're a socket, they're 41 millimeter, and these here, that's number 14. I guess it's not going to focus, but anyway, you get it. And the bolts that hold the wheel center on are number 6s. So I hope that helps somebody. Might want to do this. Pretty straightforward. Oh, and the wheel center costs $147 from Cat. And well, anyway, that's that. So, okay, thanks for watching.